Good morning. Happy to work with you today. This is our phonics lesson. I believe it's like 19, but I'll have to check on that. And today we're going to talk about why or why. Why makes two vowel sounds. It either makes the long I sound or it makes the long E sound. Or just like other vowels, it doesn't say anything because it's just there opening the door. So we're going to look at when does Y say I and when does Y say E. So you ready? I know you are. Let's write this word. Oh, this is going to seem so easy to you. Let's go ahead and write a B and a Y. That's right. B and Y. And that's an open syllable, right? And it's one syllable. When Y is in a one syllable word, you can pretty much count on that Y to say I. So let's go back and touch our sounds. B-I, bye. I walked by the church yesterday on my walk with the dogs. Bye. Erase, 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 erase. Let's look at this one syllable word. Write this word with me. D-R-Y. We look next door to our vowel and there's nothing there. So we know it's an open syllable. There's only one vowel sound and it's going to say I again because it's just one syllable. So now let's go back and touch our sounds. I, dry. Dry. We have to dry the clothes after they come out of the washer. Dry. Okay, erase, erase. Now, let's look at when it says E. Let's write this word. F-U-N-N-Y. Give you a second to catch up with me there. And now let's mark our vowels. Oh, I didn't mark our vowels in that last one. I am so sorry. And look, we've got one syllable, two syllables. Now the thing about Y is he can pull the door open if he's there without those two consonants, but there's two consonants there, so we know that this first syllable is closed and this second syllable is open. So let's go ahead and mark those since we're doing a two syllable. This one's closed, so what's U going to get on its head? That's right. Brev. This one's open, so we should say I, right? Nope. Look, two syllables. When there's two syllables and you find Y at the end, he is going to say E. So now let's go back and figure out what this syllable is. Fun. E-ni. Funny. That Y is funny. He doesn't know what sound to make. Okay, ready? Erase, 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 erase. Let's look at another one like that one. Write this word with me. H-A-P-P-Y. Mark your vowels. Is it one syllable or two syllables? That's right, it is two syllables. This P is going to go with the Y. This P is going to stay to keep the door closed. So she's going to get what on her head? That's right, a brev. What's this Y going to say? I or E? E, you're right. Closed and open. Now, let's do our sounds. Ap, hap, E, P, happy. So happy. Okay, erase, 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 erase. Now let's look at, we're going to look at two more words. This one, write this with me. B, A, B, Y. Okay, mark your vowels. This is two syllables, isn't it? But look, only one consonant. So Y is going to pull that door open and leave A open too. So this is two open syllables. If it's two syllables, what's Y going to say? That's right, E. So let's do this syllable. B, A, bay, B, E, B, baby. You're not a baby. You are working hard. Okay, see, Y is going to pull that door open. It's acting like a vowel. So any vowel can pull the door open, right? And that's why baby only has one consonant. But fa, with that closed sound, funny, had two consonants to make sure the door stayed closed. I'm going to show you one more word because sometimes Y is just there as part of a vowel team. Like in this word that we probably all know, we mark our vowels. Sorry, I didn't even tell you to write. P-L-A-Y. And now mark your vowels. And now this time, Y is part of a vowel team. And when he's part of a vowel team, he does just what any other vowel does. He gets out of the way so the first vowel can say his name. Now there's no door here, but he's there to make sure that A can say A. Now let's go back and touch our sounds. P, O, A, play. Please get out and play every day. Get some exercise and read, read, read. Love you guys. Bye-bye.